Today we are looking at this 25mm 1.7 Air series for Fujifilm. We've looked at a few of the Air series, if not all the Air series so far, APS-C and full frame, and yeah, decent experience. So let's see if this carries that on. We are currently testing the video autofocus, of course. How is it faring? Anything to write home about regarding focus, breathing, autofocus speed, even on a T4, not the latest and greatest, but this is a budget lens, so the targeted buyer wouldn't necessarily have the fastest of the Fujifilm bodies, maybe. Anyway, we're waffling. That's the video autofocus test done. We're going to look at this thing up close in the studio, then get some random test samples on the go so I can have my little waffle and, more importantly, get it over to you. You know the routine. Let's just crack on. Okay, so we download the manual with this now and warranty card. Fair enough. Let us know if you've had to use the warranty on your Viltrox gear. It is now appearing in more, well, in my case, UK retail stores, which is always a very good thing. You can even trade them on with some of those stores. Now this, I think the third in the Air series, so super light, looks like similar deal to, did it even focus? Similar deal to the other two that we looked at. Weighs 170 grams. We do have an aluminium bayonet there with a firmware port, USB-C, of course. It's a tidy feeling lens, plastic but not too bad, no aperturing, but it's f1.7 to f16. Manual focusing is fine. Let's just pop the hood off now and see what we've got on the top there. 30 centimeter minimum focusing, 52mm filter thread, STM motor inside. There are 12 elements in 10 groups, actually fairly decent. Magnification ratio 0.11 times. Not much else to say really. Business as usual when it comes to this Air series, but what about the images? After giving a thorough workout, there's not a lot to report, as you can imagine, when it comes to build and handling. It's a simple affair, but it felt good enough out and about, let's just say that. And yeah, I miss having an aperture ring. Of course, the Air series doesn't have an aperture ring, but it's easy enough to adjust on the camera, so yeah. Autofocus though, not that great using it on my T4, but, and you might have noticed this in the intro, focus breathing is excellent, yeah. Sharpness, wide open, good. Stop down to about 4.5, 5.6, and you'll get the best overall image quality. Color rendering, not bad. Contrast, generally good. Chromatic aberration is present, and distortion isn't bad. Vignetting though, pretty heavy, wide open, disappointingly, and ghosting and flaring actually rougher than that. Bokeh though is good, nothing super distracting, and you can get fairly close up with this lens and throw the background or foreground out and get some relatively pleasant images. If you're happy with the 35 and the 56 in the Air series, then you'll be happy with this one. It's far from perfect, but at what, £165 retail, it's a fairly good deal. That price is a bit higher than I expected, but okay. Let's see though if they can put out an 18mm or wider next, and then maybe a 75 or so afterwards to complete the Air series. What do you think? It is what it is. And now over to you. Let us know if you've tried this lens. How did you get on? See you there.